He loves doing this.
I bet it feels good.
That's my pillow. I know you're awake. Wilma. You're a cow.
Amigo, véndame un par de zapatos, hágame el favor, que sean estos. ¿Ese zapato lo tiene mi amigo? Ese.
Hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi. Hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi.
Hi, Nikki. Bye-bye, Nikki. Bye-bye, Nikki.
Good girl. Go up the side. Go.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Arlo. What are you doing?
Sit. Stay. Or lay down, your choice. Are you ready? Look at me. Cassian.
Oh, who did it?
What is that, Lola? What is that?
Mommy farted.
Squirrel.
Oh.
You tired. I heard that. I heard you talking. You said you tired. Alright, take it down. Alright, I know you're tired. Let's roll.
Protect the yard. Code 3. Go, Coco, go! Go!
Sold over 50 million of these babies, and for a good reason.
Can't live if living is without you.
Get off the bed.
No!
Hey. Oh, I'm so sure.
So good and tasty.
Okay. Okay.
What are you doing? What?
Carol, it's time to weigh you. Carol. What are you doing?
Marlon, come on. Come on.
turned in.
Marley May Hoovier.
Oakley, come here. Come here.
Oh, you better not drop that. Don't do it. Don't drop that. How the hell you even do?
Leo, it's open. Wait, I'll open for you. Okay? Come. Come. I open. Come. Okay, I'll open it again.
Hey, it's Sammy's turn. Oh!
Jump up on the dock.
Benny is over here. Benny.
You like that? You like massages?
Question for people who don't like chihuahuas. Have you ever hung out with a chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a chihuahua? Do you know a chihuahua?
Thanks. You bring a turtle now? That's a turtle. I'm not gonna go look at it. Thanks. That's a turtle.
Buddy.
Did you hear her? Really, that's not how you eat a pup cup.
Winston, no. No, Winston, no. Oh.
Okay, you want to play hide and seek? Can you hide? Well, I can see you. Hide again. Hide.
Oh, now brother needs mom too. Mom is always needed.
Back, 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 sit.
Just looking at you. I'm the only person who's 60. I'm not that old.
My niece is here.
Good job, Ruby.
Hey, are you a good girl? Or are you a bad girl?
Go for a walk. Come on. No? We'll go for a walk. Come on.
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty.
This is how we make our bed in the morning. Can you get off my bed, please? Get off the bed. Athena, down. We can't go to the park until you... You want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park?
Alright, so he doesn't have catching skills. I'm gonna say that under my breath. He doesn't have catching skills. So we're gonna... Never mind. Hey. No.
Where's your smile? There it is.
Okay, Django, Halloween is coming up, so we have to practice our tricks for the treats. Okay, is that okay with you? Okay.
Dame. Hola. ¿Para qué uno le compra juguetes a esto? Dame. No, en serio, no, Valentino. Dame.
Martino, ma che cazzo fai? Cosa ti fai fare? E tu inerme, fai.
Hi, I have an appointment. Okay.
I know, I got home really late. Bill, be quiet. Your uncle Chase is sweeping, remember? Remember? It's okay, I won't be out late tomorrow. I promise.
If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
You want to go on a car ride? Let's go. We're going on a car ride.
Who did that? No. Blue. No. Listen, stop.
Can I get an awa?
Yes.
Good girl.
Dancing. Ranger, get down. Down. You cannot play that now.
But all together, but
No, Mama, you can't bring that inside. No.
No. I'm gonna have Piper get you.
Get up. Tell him, Nala.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I'm so hungry, I could eat a Bernese Mountain Dog named Benny.
Hein? Le chien aime trop ton mec.
Attention. Attention.
No le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mano! ¡Con mi mano!
Chaos. Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy.
What's up, y'all? This is my dog named Goldie. I love her to death. She's only 6 months old, and this is her favorite watering hole.
You broke it.
Stop it. Oh!
Yo, what do I do if my dog just start walking on 2 feet? What do I do? Because I'm not fit. Something ain't right about that.
He do that all the time.
No, something ain't right. The way he just walked behind me.
Well, this turtle is not afraid.
Oh, Ellie, don't stop.
Wick, what'd you just do? You stole her bone. Let go of it. This was her bone. Look how sad she is. Let go of it.
Oh, Bonnie!
Hey, stop dragging your ass on there. I lay there.
Max, did you poop? Max, hey, Max, hey, did you poop in the dining?
Max, did you poop? Cuidado, cuidado. Vamos, cuidado. Cuidado, cuidado. Ahora.
It's Mama's. You're fine. You just stop it. Noah! 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 Let me clean my floors.
Nigga, time out. I told your ass. Didn't I tell you? I'm gonna stuff you in the fucking couch. Didn't I tell you I was gonna do that to you if you keep fucking up? You like to, and you just sit here smiling and shit.
Wipe your mouth.
Good boy, you don't gotta lay your whole neck. Good boy.
Quítatelo, quítatelo.
Good boy. Good boy.
Ready? Let it rain. Here it comes, Maya. Rain train. Hey, boop, 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 boop. This is all you. Just falling out. You don't even care. Boom. Where are you going? You can't run away from your problems.
Give me your paw. Paw. Give me your paw. Now. Give it to me. Give it.
National Guard is maxed out. They said we could lucky troops for that.
Whoa!
Hey, Bruno, you don't see the problem with that? Hey, don't ignore me.
Oh my God!
Do you want your dinner?
What's the matter? Can't you get outside? Oh no.
Lift your right hand high toward the ceiling and then back toward the back.
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor. That ain't, oh, that's liquor.
Relax. Relax. Do you mind?